I open my eyes and see you sleeping still, baby. The light shines on you, bright like the morning sun leaving. From little movements to the slightest sound you make.
Hello, I'm Kiko and welcome back to That Tommy Girl. So I was planning on uploading a sewing tutorial this week, but I received a bunch of clothes and they look so good that I was afraid that maybe if I uploaded the haul next week, maybe these items would get out of stock. So I wanted to make sure that you guys would be able to get your hands on these items if you guys like them by uploading my video this week. So I received clothes from 3 companies: Honeybum, Shein, Romwe, and I'm just gonna start with Honeybum because I received the most of my clothes from. So this is my second time collaborating with Honeybum and I just really like the quality of their clothes. They're more expensive than Shein and Romwe. Shein and Romwe are more like wholesale companies, so obviously the clothes are cheaper, but it doesn't mean that the quality is better. So it really depends what you're looking for, more like quality or more being able to get trendy stuff at cheaper prices. Also, I have a discount code of 20% for Honeybum if you ever want to shop there. The discount code is XOKelly. Obviously, it's always something like that. The only thing I didn't put on my rack because it didn't really match the colors, this 2-piece set. They have this in teal, which is this color, and in red, and I've decided to go for this color because it gives off this really vintage retro vibe. And if you guys know me, I really love vintage clothes. It's really cute. It gives off really vintage and retro vibes, so I really like this. Next item I got is this 2-piece velvet tracksuit. So I got the silver one and I absolutely love it. So the top is really cropped, but if you get the pants, it's really high-waisted, so you can really adjust how much skin you want to show. There's a lot of lace and ties going on, so I don't know how I feel about that. And I didn't know it came with ruffles. Also does that at the bottom of the pants. And I really like, overall, I really like it, except for like the ruffles. Next I got this set. So these are the bottoms. They have fake pockets at the back but real pockets at the front, and it kind of does like a ruffly effect at the waistband, and it comes with this tie. So the top looks a lot like a strapless bra. It looks like this. It looks like a half bustier strapless bandeau top, and the back is all mesh. However, the top doesn't fit me. It's too big, and the cups look way too big for a small. I don't know. Next, I got these pants. And these pants have been really trendy lately, but I don't understand why I never got these pants before they were even trendy, because I hate wearing skinny jeans and I would go any day for baggy pants over skinny jeans. I'm really confused onto why I never really own a pair of these, but these are just like white cargo pants. They look a lot like the IMGA pants. These ones copy of the Cobain pants from IMGA, the label. However, I don't know about the material though, because this is more like a silky. When I saw these, oh my, I was so impressed by the quality. It looks so good. I'm gonna wear these pants like everywhere. I just really love the fit. And once again, it's really baggy. It's really comfortable to wear. So last but not least is this set, and you might recognize it from IMGA, the label. But I guess this is the cheaper version. And it looks exactly like the one from IMGA, because I did compare it to IMGA label. Its quality is much better. Physically, what you can see from the outside, it looks exactly the same. So this is the top. It has these things, I don't know how to call them, and these are the pants. So these two together look so good. I I just can't wait to go to like France or somewhere like that to wear this. Onto the other companies. I'm gonna start with Shein. So what I got from them are 3 items. The first one is this really cute corset, and it fits really well. When I saw it, I thought it was going to be too big, but it fits really well. It really accentuates her waist. So this part is obviously faux leather. The lace is also faux leather, and the back, it's really stretchy material, so it's really good because it's probably going to fit everyone. Anytime you want to wear this, you don't need to remove all the laces because at the back it has these. Next, I got the shirt that I'm wearing right now. Just a simple t-shirt. I've never really gotten simple t-shirts ever before on online stores. I always go for like the most extra and extremes, and I really like the design. If you guys know, it's a Japanese artist. Last item from Shein is this pair of black cargo. It's very similar to the one from Honeybum. It's very sturdy, if that's the word, but it's very comfortable. I've worn this several times. It has an elastic band also. The last company I want to talk about is Romwe, and I got 4 items from them, and they are all skirts. I'm never really gonna regret buying skirts. I think that I can never really go wrong with skirts. They're just so easy to style. Skirts are very easy to go from formal to casual, I find. The quality really surprised me because I think Romwe really stepped up their game with their quality, because this is a very thick material and it's very comfortable, and it even has lining in the inside. The next one I really like. I've always wanted this type of skirt, like the suit type with the buns and the little pockets, obviously fake pockets, and it looks really cute. So this one is the typical schoolgirl skirt in black and white, and this would just go with everything, and I really like it. Last but not least, this one is the more tricky one to style. First of all, the colors are already really hard to style. It makes you look more mature, I find. What they added to make it look more like out of the ordinary is the fact that it's asymmetrical. One side starts lower from the other side. So that was it for all of the items that I got. I know I got a lot of clothes, and I just can't wait to wear them for spring. These are all of the items that I got. I find are just perfect for spring. So if you guys want to get any of these items, I'm gonna leave all the discount codes that I have. The one from Honeybum is XO Kelly, and I believe I have one for Romwe. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave everything that I'm mentioning down below, so you can feel free to check these out. And also I'm gonna leave the link to all of the items if you guys want to check them out, check the sizing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.